In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dashlane for beginners. Dashlane is a password manager that securely organizes the things you use to sign in and check out online, and then autofills them when you need them. To get started, go to Dashlane in your browser or open the app. Once you're in, you'll see a clean dashboard with a sidebar that holds the main areas we'll explore. Think of this as your command center for everyday sign-ins and form filling. Click on Logins. This is where your website and app credentials live. You'll see entries with a site name, your username, and indicators that help you understand password strength or if a password might be reused. The search bar at the top helps you find accounts quickly, and sorting makes it easy to spot what you use most. When you open a login, you can review details, see when it was last changed, and view options related to autofill. A built-in password generator is available when you need a stronger password, and Dashlane will remember it for you so you don't have to. A helpful habit is to glance at the strength indicators. They're a quick way to decide which accounts to update first over time. Next, click on Passkeys. Passkeys are a newer, phishing-resistant way to sign in without typing a password. They work with a quick device prompt like a fingerprint or a device pins, and Dashlane stores them securely so they sync to your other devices. Inside this section, you'll see which sites support passkeys and which ones you've already set up. If you're moving toward passwordless sign-ins, this view helps you keep track of your progress and understand where passkeys are available. Now, click on Payments. This is where you keep your credit and debit cards, and in some cases bank details, so checkout is fast and accurate. Each card entry can include the name on the card, the number, and the expiration date. Dashlane autofills this information on payment pages to reduce typing errors and to save time. It's a good idea to keep only the cards you actually use so you can pick the right one quickly, and to lock your device when you step away, especially on shared computers. Finally, click on Personal Info. Here you can store your addresses, names, and other form details so contact forms and shipping pages fill instantly. Keeping this information up to date ensures autofill works smoothly across sites, and it also helps reduce typos on important forms. That's it. You went to Dashlane, explored logins, reviewed passkeys, checked payments, and organized personal info. With these sections, you'll sign in faster, pay more smoothly, and keep your data organized and secure.